Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your power, inventory, and a fire team ready to help. Equip the bounty that unlocks Edge of Fate drops and switch to the subclass that maximizes ability uptime. Once done, fast travel to the specific activity, do not wander. You should join a group with at least one experienced player. This increases clear speed and drop odds. Make sure you have vendor tokens and materials. They speed the reroll and upgrade path toward the exotic. You now commit to a repeatable loop that maximizes exotic chance. Run the named activity on the tier with the best drop ratio. Prioritize consistent boss phase damage and quick add clears. This shortens runs and multiplies attempts per hour. Once done, immediately turn in bounties and reset activity to keep momentum. Make sure to communicate rotations. One player calls targets, two output sustained DPS, one handles revive and support. This coordination raises both efficiency and RNG opportunities. You finish by claiming rewards and verifying the exotic didn't land in your postmaster. If you miss the drop, reset immediately and repeat the loop while varying subclass, weapon loadout, and fire team order to shift RNG. Once done, use tokens and materials to reroll perks when the exotic finally appears. If something goes wrong, like rewards not appearing, restart the game client, check weekly caps, and relog into the activity. This simple restart often resolves sync or postmaster issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.